Fluke 87V Max True-rms Digital Multimeter in-depth reviews. This product has 4.8 stars based on 178 ratings and 27 reviews. 95% of customers have overall ratings of 4 or 5 stars, while ratings of 1 or 2 stars accounting for 4% of all reviewers. Let's look at a recent positive review. It said lasts a lifetime if you don't lose it. The best multimeter you can buy in a sturdy package for people with fumble fingers like me. I love this thing if you can't tell. I'm just a homebody who does a lot of work around the house, and this thing is great for homeowners. Everything you need and nothing you don't. I've never once used this thing and thought, oh, that can't be right, like I usually do with the cheaply made multimeters. Yes, it's bulky, and if I had to schlep it around a job site all day with it, I might not be too happy. But for me, working out of my garage, the bulk doesn't matter. Is there anything the product needs to be improved on? Let's take a look at a critical review. Scammed. Just got this delivered 20 minutes ago. Scratched my head for a second and then realized I got scammed. Feels like some kind of O-ring in the little silver pouch. Sending it back for a refund, but need this documented, because $500 is pretty steep for one O-ring. That's it.